Now, it bemuses even me as a salesperson here how we find these Land Rover Defender hardtop 90 commercials and 110s, by the way. Another irreplaceable, incredible vehicle just arrived. This time it is a conversion by a company called Obsidian. For me, I'm going to throw this out there, I think this looks better, this conversion is better than the urban conversion. From the lettering to the bonnet, to the actual makeup of the styling, from the bonnet inserts, the wing inserts, the arch extensions, the apron at the front, the light bar, it's fantastic. Now this is a new but registered, VAT qualifying, hardtop 90 SE in its base, Santorini black. It's got some fabulous options as you'd expect. It's got a jump seat, it's got air suspension, it's got deployable factory tow bar, new but registered delivery miles. Check this out. This has got to sell straight away. Really, call me on my number on the screen to avoid disappointment, because if you're looking for a 90, we've looked at the market, there's nothing available like this with a jump seat, with this kit on like this. So get it snapped up because it is fantastic. Now, from front to back, it's aggressive, it's stylish, it's the correct colour. It's fully colour-coded with the 22-inch Obsidian wheels. Now, this conversion, like I say, for me, I just think it stands out more than the urban one. And why I mean that is because if you look closely, come in and look, we've got the Obsidian badging to these inserts, the bonnet bulbous inserts, the wing inserts which are all bulbous, mud flaps, arch extensions fitted really, really nicely. Light pod on the top, steps, painted door handles, keyless entry is part of the SE spec, rear spoiler, and the detailing on it is lovely. You've got the Obsidian badging, darkened tail lights to the rear, all black styled, and then this lovely Obsidian wheel cover. It's different, isn't it? And we sell the urban ones as well, by the way, so don't get me wrong, the urban ones are special. This is just as special. As a base model, it's special, but then we've got the air suspension, we've then got the deployable tow bar, a big factory option. So it's there, it's ready to go to work, it's got the lockable space in the rear. It's pretty nice, isn't it? Rear spoiler to the top. Notice as you come round the arch extensions, because it does really beef up and make the vehicle what it is. And then the interior options, it doesn't stop there. We've got an SE cast, we've got leather, we've got Meridian sound, we've got memory seats, electric seats, rubber floor mat. We've got two controllers for the light pod, one situated here and one in my hand. Just a fantastic car for a commercial vehicle to run through your business. Time and time again, you know, we're getting calls on these. People get disappointed because they ring too late and they miss them. This is now here, so if you're watching the video, you're looking for one, call me. Leather steering wheel, so an SE spec, you've got lovely finishes throughout. Jump seat to the centre now. Two keys, this seat just lifts up as so for your third seat. If you need it, pulls down with that little lever there into an armrest when you don't need it. And then we've got the Defender feature. So inside, I've mentioned it to the rear, you've got the air suspension selectable here, digital climate control, heated seats, heated front and rear screens, navigation, Bluetooth, media integration, so many four-wheel drive and terrain settings, more than you'd ever use, wireless smartphone integration, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, reversing camera, top view camera, 3D camera, so all the special features you'll require from taking this vehicle off-road or on-road, and then the towing camera. Because we've got the deployable tow bar, Land Rover put the option of the towing camera in. Nothing more to say, it's very special, it's an Obsidian converted vehicle, it's on the website now, but it won't be for long, and that is because this, for the price point, is the highest spec, best looking Land Rover Defender 90 hardtop commercial for sale today. It's also VAT qualifying with delivery miles. It was probably registered yesterday. Thanks for watching.